What on earth, or should I say, what in the universe is out there? Well, today, we're about to answer that question in the most mind-blowing way possible. Imagine this: our Milky Way galaxy, home to our little blue planet, is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. Yep, you heard that right. Two massive galaxies are going to collide, but don't panic, it's happening in about 4.5 billion years. So, we've got some time to prepare. Speaking of mind-blowing, let's talk about Kepler 452b, the most Earth-like planet we've discovered so far. This Earth's cousin is 60% larger than our planet and orbits a star similar to our Sun. Scientists believe it could have liquid water and maybe even life. Imagine having a pen pal 1,400 light-years away. But that's not all. Let's zoom out to the edge of the observable universe. The universe is 13.8 billion years old, and it's so vast that light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes billions of years to travel across it. We're talking distances that are almost impossible to comprehend. And now, let's dive into the most mysterious objects in space, black holes. These cosmic monsters are so dense that not even light can escape their pull. The largest black hole we know of, TON 618, has a mass equivalent to 66 billion suns. Just imagine getting sucked into that. But here's the kicker: black holes aren't just terrifying, they're essential to understanding the universe. They help scientists test the limits of physics and uncover the mysteries of space-time. Before we wrap up, here's a little brain teaser. If you could travel anywhere in the universe, where would you go and why? Drop your answers in the comments. I can't wait to read them. Alright, space explorers, that's it for today.